Why did Jesus die on the cross? It's one of the most profound questions in Christianity, and for many, it's the heart of the faith. Today, I want to gently explore what Christians believe about this powerful moment and why it still matters today. Let's begin with the world Jesus entered. According to the Bible, humanity was separated from God by sin, those choices and actions that move us away from love, goodness, and truth. Christians believe that despite this separation, God's love never wavered. In fact, it's this love that sets the stage for the cross. Jesus, Christians say, is God's Son, sent not to condemn but to save. He lived a life full of compassion, healing, forgiveness, showing what God's love looks like in action. But his teachings challenged the status quo, arrested, tried, sentenced to die by crucifixion, a brutal and humiliating death. Now here's where it gets deeply meaningful. Christians believe that Jesus didn't just die as a victim of injustice. Instead, his death was part of God's plan to restore the broken relationship between humanity and the divine. On the cross, Jesus willingly took on the weight of human sin, suffering. He absorbed the consequences so that anyone, no matter their past, could find forgiveness, a fresh start. This is often called atonement. It means making things right. The cross, for Christians, is the ultimate symbol of God's love, a love so deep it's willing to embrace pain and sacrifice for the sake of others. But the story doesn't end there. Christians believe that 3 days after his death, Jesus rose from the dead. This resurrection is seen as God's victory over sin, death, a promise that darkness never has the final word. So why did Jesus die on the cross? In Christian belief, it was to bridge the gap between God and humanity, to offer forgiveness, hope, new life to all who seek it. The cross stands as an invitation, a reminder that love is stronger than hate, and that no one is ever beyond redemption. Whether you're curious, searching, or simply reflecting, I hope this gentle journey helps you see why the cross remains at the very heart of Christian faith. Thank you for joining me today.